everyone, old friends, Sangatan and comrades. So thank you so much for giving me this opportunity once again to speak about the great Baloch leader, Bano Karima Baloch. It is indeed a great honor for me to not only be affiliated with the Baloch cause, Baloch nation, but also have worked with Bano Karima in Karachi.
शहीद बानो करीमा बाबता इंसानी हक्कानी कारकुन नूरे मरियम गोशगिंद के मन च करीमा गिंदगा पेश हम च आया मुतासिर भूतगा आया खंची जाल बूलियत के च आई पाकिस्तानी फौज तुरसे तक ओ आई तचका जोरा की यानी बगिरिया तवार चिस्कुर तक मन हमक वाहदा हमें जेड़ तक के ए चोने मर्दुमी भी.
However, at the same time, we see tremendous resilience among the same Baloch society, same Baloch nation. Despite the state oppression and severe form of adversity, not only did Baloch resilience continue, but also new strengths are emerging out of oppression. Recently, a significant change was witnessed in Baloch history in the form of a Baloch women-led movement against enforced disappearances and military oppression.
वहदे के मन अवली रंदागों आया डीकवार्त मन आई बिचकंद हमदर्दी ओ शर्प दीस्तंद मनी चम्मा यक रुजना ये गिंदक बुअगात हमा मर्दुमां के करीमा दीस तक गुड़ा आ मर्दुम ए गप्पा शर जानंत हमा मर्दुमां के नदीस तक आ हम च आई चम्मा ए चीज़ां दीस्त कनंत च रियासती जोरा की यानी बिगिरिया गहगिरी कनगे म्याना अबाजें जंजालानी पदेमी कनगे तुरसा चेर बुअगे जिंदगी ग्वाजे नगा लाचार भूतक.
He also convinced people to register FIRs against those who were forcibly abducted, against the state of Pakistan about the enforced disappearances. So, in that context, I will simply share some of the memories of the time. I would say, I was honored or privileged enough that I got to spend with Karima in Karachi and how it impacted and influenced my politics as well as my personality. Before meeting Karima, I was definitely in awe of this wonderful woman who was a threat to the Pakistan military, who was challenging the Pakistan brutal military state. So before meeting Karima, obviously that was the feeling. And I used to wonder what this woman would be like. When I finally got to meet her in 2014 in Karachi, I was more in awe of her courage, but more than that, that was her humility that inspired me.
करीमाच्या तुरबतादा आवाराना सपर कुर्तक ओ हमुक जाहा शुतक गुड़ा आई जालबुलु मर्दें यकजह कुर्तगन ए जोहत के बर जाहिंद येशीमन हमाये द्रिच सरपदबा आ रियासत विगिरिया गहगिरी कनगे सवबा चवती वतना दर कपगु दरांडे बुअगा लाचार बूतक.
There is still darkness, but yes, the beam is there, and we will see the sun as well very soon. Every young Baloch girl, every young Baloch, women, every young Baloch child, when I see them, it reminds me of Karima, that was Karima's vision. That was her struggle. That was her efforts. And I want to remind us all through Karima's memories that, here most of us are in exile. And exile, obviously, it's a difficult journey. We have our challenges in various forms and ways. But I think Karima's message is always smile and, carry ourselves with smile and hope. So thank you so much. And also, so this dress, I'm just going now. So this dress is very special for me, and I wear it, and I will keep repeating wearing it. So this was I and Karima. We went shopping together in Karachi, and then she bought this for me, and she also selected the design. I was about to go for another design, but she said no. she said, go for this one. And then she also, I didn't know that, she knows how to cut. So she actually cut this one for me. So this is a very, very special memory of Karima that will definitely going to stay with me for the rest of my life. And I love Karima and I love you all.